Hello, and welcome to Planet Technologies Tips and Tricks. Today, we're going to show you how to create a searchable dropdown in an Excel spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to select the column where you would like your searchable dropdown to appear. So I'm going to select A2. Hold down the Control and Shift key and press the down arrow to select that entire column. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the Data tab, and in Data Tools, I'm going to click on Data Validation. From there, under Allow, we'll change it from any value to List. And then it's going to ask, where does that list live? I click the up arrow, choose my list, click the down arrow to select it, and press OK. Now, when I come into the list, if I go ahead and add a new row, I can simply start typing into the make Chevrolet. If I start typing Chevrolet, it pops up in the dropdown. I select it, and I can go on and fill out the rest of my row. So that's how you create a searchable dropdown in Excel. It's great if you have a large list of options that you want your users to choose from. It'll really speed up the process. So thanks so much for tuning in, and have a great day.